more snow came down. It's 12:30 in the afternoon. I'm gonna walk up to the post office, check my mail. Been about 3 years since we had good snow like this. Let's see, it's 2:20 in the afternoon. Looks pretty cool with these snow on this pine tree. Almost looks like little ornaments. You can see it's up above my ankle. I just finished going down and cleaning my long sidewalk out. Beautiful snow down here today. When I was a kid, we used to love snow because we got off school. All right, guys. Take it easy. Hope we don't get too much more.
Hey guys, quite a difference from yesterday. We finally got some sun and it's starting to melt. I was able to get my car back on the street. So check out my the clips that I got next. These are some of the finds I made in the last couple weeks. So talk to you guys later.
These are the two hottest detectors on the market right now, and probably the MineLab Equinox 800 is the top of the line right now, and Anfibio Multi is pretty close. I have 3 coils for both of these machines, and on this particular model I have a carbon fiber shaft. It telescopes, and it takes 4 ounces of weight off. Both machines have wireless headphones, and they have you don't have to use batteries. It's all internal in the machine itself. So you just charge it up and go. All right. Hey guys, I'm working a little coil right up against the fence, and I got a signal that was locking on at 2, and I decided to dig it, and it's reading 14 now. I'm gonna, if I can see what it is. It really sounds good. Oh, look, it looks like something around. Yeah, it's a flat button. Kind of a small one. That's awesome. That just shows you how good this little coil is. I've picked a lot of stuff after 3.5 years of hunting. You know, it just keeps, I keep getting stuff, and the Anfibio with the smaller coils is doing great too. Hey guys, I think I got a good one here.
hunting right up against the fence here. That one sounds good. Oh, look at that. Cool. Right over there, I got one. I got a pistol ball right up against this fence with the 6-inch coil. But this was probably about, I don't know, 6-7 inches deep. That's awesome. That's the only good thing I found today. There's the Relics I got the other day. Little flat button, no shank, broke off. And I got another bullet. Nice 3-ringer. All right. Talk to you guys later. Have a good weekend.